we have two tower CPU in which consists normal SSD. The other one is it's written 128 GB solid state drive, it's SSD. And the other tower CPU is consists M.2 SSD with the same configuration, A61 board, 6 GB RAM. And the other one is normal SSD, 6 GB RAM and A61 board. Okay. We will see the comparison which is taking more faster with normal SSD versus M.2 SSD. Okay. At a time we will start the power switch with the same time, and then we will see the timer which one is getting more faster. So start the power, and see the stopwatch. M.2 SSD started with 5 seconds, and another one normal SSD, its booting time is almost like 13 seconds, almost like 70 seconds. So it's clearly seen that M.2 SSD is more reliable and more efficient to use. The rendering time is more faster, and the other one is normal SSD is rendering time is taking more time, larger time than M.2 SSD. So if you are a graphic designer or anything, if you are a developer, so basically you should go for that M.2 SSD which never lag.